Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve 24 divided 12, 1 plus 1. So many people fail to solve this. It looks simple but many stuck. How? They solve it like this: 24 divided by 12. They get 2 and then they add 1 and 1 to it and raised at 4. But no. What you have to do, you have to follow certain rule, that is you have to solve it with PEMDAS or PEMDAS rule, where P stands for parenthesis. So first solve the parenthesis. 1 plus 1 is 2 and there is multiplication sign. Now, who follows PEMDAS rule, they solve it like this, and who follows PEMDAS rule, they solve it like this. 12 times 2, 24, and they reached it at 1. But no, if there is a division sign and multiplication sign, from left to right you have to decide. If there is a multiplication sign earlier, then you can solve it, but from left to right there is given division sign, so first we have to divide and then multiply. So 4 is the correct answer, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.